Hello, I was listening to a song called Yeshe Taki. It's by the Lost Wing, and this other thing I gotta tell you about. I gotta talk about this, You guys might see this over the Hmong village. You can see it the new Hmong village or the old Hmong village, but I'm just gonna tell you, they're going to more soft, and then and it helps you with your pimple all gone. Right now, and right here too. And then I've been using this for a couple years. I still have pimples when I was in 1st grade or 2nd grade. And my mom, and then it's for me go blank on and so they're like blank on and did it on you, and then go a couple days later go and then more blank, and so they go see more blank on and then that's not go more, and so they go talk she's and I got inside there, I think my mom, she usually put this whole thing mostly, and the part right here, you close to look, the part right here, it has different writings on it if you were at Hmong village, and so yeah, it's very good. And because if it's cream lao, but I think it's kind of different though, and I just wanted to tell you that. And then a warning, I usually put protective glove because if you forget things, like if you were eating hot Cheetos and then you lick your hand, I was like, what is that bitter coming from, this is very bitter. So you had to, if you didn't put protective glove, I mean you don't have to, but I do that, and then you have to wash your hands with so many soap, and so yeah, this other thing, I think it helps when your face is dry or somewhere, but I do not know if you can put it around your body, like your hands or your arm, your leg, or your back, but I use it for my face tons of times. This is a very good one. So I'll see you guys later.